Hello dear students, welcome to DAV module. Today we will be starting with new chapter, that is weather, climate and adaptation. So let's begin. Now, what exactly do you mean by weather? So the conditions of earth atmosphere at a particular time and place is termed as weather. So the condition wherein a person is living at a particular time and place gives rise to a weather. So study of weather, it is known as meteorology, and someone who studies weather, it is known as meteorologist. As you can see in this picture, different weathering conditions are mentioned over here. A pleasant sunset, rainfall, cloudy areas, snow, pleasant evening. This is a certain conditions or certain weather which you will find in nature. So what are the elements of weather? We will see. So the foremost elements of weather, that is temperature. So what exactly do you mean by temperature? It is simply a measure of hotness or coldness of the atmosphere. So I've collected some stats. So the highest temperature which have been recorded up till now, it is 56.7 degrees Celsius, which have been found in Furnace Creek, which is located in Death Valley in United States. And as you can see in this picture, this is the picture of Death Valley, which is located in United States, and the maximum temperature was recorded, that is 57 degrees Celsius. Now, another stat, that is the lowest temperature which have been recorded up till now have been found in Antarctica region, more precise, that is Vostok Station, and temperature was minus 89.4 degrees Celsius. As you can see in this picture, this is the region of Antarctica where minus 89.4 degrees Celsius was recorded in 2007. So what exactly do you mean by measure? It is the measure of hotness or coldness of the particular region, that is temperature. Now the second element of weather, that is humidity. It is simply a measure of water vapor in the atmosphere. How much amount of water vapor is present? That is humidity. It is measured by an instrument which is known as hygrometer. As you can see in this picture, this is an instrument of hygrometer. Third element of weather, that is rainfall. As you can see, this is an instrument from which rainfall is measured. This instrument is known as rain gauge. This instrument collects water and a measuring scale is located over here from which one can measure amount of rainfall. The third element of weather, that is wind. It is the horizontal movement of air, and it always moves from a region of high pressure to an area of low pressure, and it always moves in horizontal direction. It is measured with an instrument which is known as anemometer. As you can see in this picture, this is anemometer. Now, other element of weather, that is precipitation. It is simply the water released from the cloud in the form of rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow or hail. Sleet is nothing but a mixture of rain and snow, whereas hail is a mixture of water, freezing water. And precipitation are formed when water vapor condense into a bigger droplets of water, that is precipitation. As you can see in this picture, rain, snow, sleet, hail, this is again a form of precipitation. Atmospheric pressure, it is simply a force exerted by the surface of air and above the surface of gravity. That is, it is measured with an instrument which is known as barometer. As you can see, an example is given over here. This is a small area, and from this small area, in this area, atmosphere is creating a pressure. The other example, a daily example of atmospheric pressure you can give, like if suppose I take an example of plastic bottle, and if I cut a small opening from the upper portion and remove water from that plastic bottle, in such a manner a vacuum is created inside that plastic bottle, and in such situation you will observe that the bottle will get crushed. Why is it so? Because air is creating a pressure from outside because of which the plastic bottle got crushed. That is atmospheric pressure. It is measured with an instrument which is known as barometer. I hope you have understood weather and different elements of weather. Thank you and have a nice day.